guess.
What is it, kids?
Whoa, a kitten!
It's so cute!
Welcome to the family!
Ow! He's stubborn!
Okay, let me explain. First, we need 3 things. Sound good?
Biscuit, you're so cute!
He's not that special.
Aw, don't be jealous, Kim. Yes!
All right. Everyone helps take care of him. Deal?
Are you okay, Mom?
I am, sweetie. It was just an accident.
You are even more mischievous than me. Get off my ball. Meow.
Not aggressive, assertive.
Kim, there's a difference. Aggressive is like this. Assertive is like this.
Ugh, Dad! He's very affectionate with me. This is not over. Meow!
That was my masterpiece. That was my last one.
Biscuit! Just another normal dinner.
Bread, anyone?
Unpredictable. See?
Playful! You're so playful, Biscuit.
Independent. See what I mean?
Biscuit, you menace! The mug, the prank plan, the soccer ball, the cookie, and face stepping!
Is Biscuit even more mischievous than Kim?
Even more mischievous, yes, but Kim is more clever.
I heard that!
Operation Biscuit is a go. Huh? Where'd you go? Planning without you.
Come on, Biscuit, get the yarn! Strategy failed. Moving to plan B.
You are smarter than you look.
He's so gentle when he's sleepy.
Welcome home, little one. I want to tell you all something. A long time ago,
Wait, that's you. You were like my age? And that cat? That's the most beautiful story I've ever heard. I'm not crying. Something is in my eye. Both eyes. At the same time.
Biscuit, you stole snacks and got into everything. But you're also kind of brave.
Did you just? You're still more mischievous than me, though. Come on, Biscuit, move! Meow. Ugh. Why won't you move?
Need some help there, Kim?
Oh, Biscuit, you're so sweet. Hee I love you too. Biscuit, get off that ball. Oh, you blinked at me. You're so cute, Biscuit.
Not now, Biscuit. I'm making coffee.
Meow?
I see you staring.
Mew.
Sleeping soundly, zooming across the room, sitting on the fridge top, wearing the paper bag as a hat.
Ready, kitty, go! Whoa, wild arc. Bounce, yay!
Biscuit! Here, Biscuit!
Biscuit, come here!
Biscuit, come on!
Biscuit, here!
Biscuit?
Oh, Biscuit, you're so peaceful. Sweet dreams, little one.
Ready, Biscuit? Now! Let's go!
Look at you in this photo, Biscuit. And here you are now. Sweet little thing.
More mischievous than Kim.
Even more affectionate than we expected.
Not as easy to ignore as I thought.
The best decision I ever made.
I didn't do that. He found it.
And somewhere, Marmalade was smiling. Let's see what's in this book, Biscuit. Curious means wanting to know more.
Biscuit, please move! No! Fine, I'll use water. Still not moving. You're so stubborn.
Whoa!
Biscuit, please? Please?
Assertive, confident and direct in asking for what you want. Biscuit knew, he always knew.
Biscuit!
I have stopped trying to predict him.
Should we call him?
He'll come when he's ready.
Oh, look! They're friends! Biscuit is more mischievous than Kim.
He is not as even more affectionate than I expected.
Now!
See you next time.